こんにちは、リカです。Today we will learn adjectives. We will learn words and then learn how to use them. This video is long, so please take a look at this timetable to find what you're looking for. I already have a few videos that are related to emotions and personality. Please take a look at the playlist, Adjectives, to find a few adjectives that are not in this video. Let's begin. 大きい、大きい、小さい、小さい、高い、高い、低い、低い、高い、高い、安い、安い、高い also means tall, but the opposite words are different. 長い、長い、短い、短い、広い、広い、狭い、狭い、古い、古い、新しい、新しい、難しい、難しい、簡単、簡単、きれい、きれい、かわいい、かわいい、ハンサム、ハンサム、かっこいい、かっこいい、面白い、面白い、つまらない、つまらない、忙しい、忙しい、暇、暇、おいしい、おいしい、まずい、まずい、甘い、甘い、苦い、苦い、酸っぱい、酸っぱい、しょっぱい、しょっぱい、辛い、辛い。暑い、暑い、暖かい、暖かい、涼しい、涼しい、寒い、寒い。These are for the temperature that you feel on your body. For example, the temperature outside or in the house. 暑い、暑い、暖かい、暖かい、ぬるい、ぬるい、冷たい、冷たい。This is for the temperature that you feel when you touch something. For example, food, drink, or wind. There are 6 special colors: 赤、青、黄色、黒、白、and 茶色 that you can make an adjective by adding "い" to the colors. For example, 赤い、赤い、青い、青い、黄色い、黄色い、黒い、黒い、白い、白い、茶色い、茶色い。For other colors, I would explain later in this video. There are 2 types of adjectives in the Japanese language. One is called "い" adjectives, and the other is called "な" adjectives. These are a few adjectives that we learned in the beginning of this video. As you can see, there are "い" in red and "な" in green. These are "い" adjectives and these are "な" adjectives. Unfortunately, There aren't any specific ways to find out if it's an E adjective or a na adjective. However, today I would share you a few little tips. 1. E adjectives normally end with I. For example, 大きい and 小さい ends with an I. However, there are irregular ones such as きれい and 嫌い that ends with I but are actually na adjectives. 2. Adjectives in katakana are always na adjectives. For example, handsome or simple. These are words that came from a foreign language. That's why they are written in katakana. 3. The 6 special colors that you can make an adjective from are always I adjectives. Let's learn the first phrase. But before that, let's learn the grammar. First, let's look at the I adjective. The base is 大きい, big. To make present future positive form, you would add a des at the end. 大きいです, it's big. For past positive form, you would remove the I at the end of the base and add かったです. It was big. 大きかったです. For present future negative form, you would also remove the I at the end of the base and add くないです. It's not big. 大きくないです. For past negative form, you would remove the I again and add くなかったです. It wasn't big. 大きくなかったです. Let's look at na adjectives. This is much easier compared to I adjective. The base is きれい, beautiful. For present future positive form, you would add です. It's beautiful. きれいです. For past positive form, you would add でした. It was beautiful. きれいでした. For present future negative form, you would add じゃないです. It's not beautiful. きれいじゃないです. For past negative form, you would add じゃなかったです. It wasn't beautiful. きれいじゃなかったです. Na adjectives often form the same way as noun plus des, but it's not nouns. These are adjectives. I would explain later the difference. To say noun is adjective, noun wa, des for both of the adjectives. For example, this bag is big. このカバンは大きいです. Or this bag is beautiful. このカバンはきれいです. To talk about the past, depending on the adjective, you would choose かったです or でした. For example, the cake was delicious. ケーキは美味しかったです. Or the cake was okay. ケーキは微妙でした. 微妙 is an adjective that means subtle or not special. It's okay. To talk about negative form, you would choose くないです or じゃないです depending on the adjective. For example, this bag is not big. このカバンは大きくないです. This bag is not beautiful. このカバンはきれいじゃないです. Lastly, for negative past form, you would choose くなかったです or じゃなかったです depending on the adjective. For example, the cake was not delicious. ケーキは美味しくなかったです. Or the cake was not beautiful. ケーキはきれいじゃなかったです. These are already past form. This is a common mistake to make. but you would not use でした at the end. It's です。Let's practice. 1. Apples are red. リンゴは赤いです。2. Lemons are sour. レモンは酸っぱいです。3. Winter is cold. 冬は寒いです。4. Cats are cute. 猫はかわいいです。5. Japanese is interesting. 日本語は面白いです。6. This movie was boring. この映画はつまらなかったです。7. Sunday was boring. Had nothing to do. 日曜日は暇でした。8. The test was not easy. テストは簡単じゃなかったです。9. Today is not cold. 今日は寒くないです。10. My room is not small. 私の部屋は狭くないです。Let's learn another phrase. This is to describe a noun using an adjective. So there were 2 adjectives. For each adjective, we would use the base plus noun. For non-adjective, we would use the base plus na plus a noun. For example, big bag, 大きいカバン。Beautiful bag, きれいなカバン。The not adjective needs a not so that it's able to be connected to the noun. Now let's compare not adjective and nouns because I have explained to you a few minutes ago that they form the same way. However, they're not the same. For not adjective, we needed a na. However, for the nouns, we would need a no to connect to the noun. For example, beautiful bag, きれいなカバン。green bag, 緑のカバン。For all the colors except for the 6 special colors that you can make e adjectives from, you would use the particle no that describes what kind of object it is. In this case, what kind of bag. Let's practice. 1. Expensive bag. 高いカバン。2. Easy test. 簡単なテスト。3. New computer. 新しいパソコン。4. Hot tea. 熱いお茶。5. Clean room. きれいな部屋。So today we learned adjectives. We would continue with adjectives next week as well. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this was useful. If you like my video, please subscribe. I post every Tuesday and Friday. じゃあまたね。バイバイ。